In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add dummy product content to a Shopify store. This is an excellent way to test your store's layout and aesthetics without requiring any real product data. Let's dive right into it. First, you'll want to start by preparing your dummy product data. To do this efficiently, open a spreadsheet program like Excel or Google Sheets. Here you'll create columns to organize the necessary product information. Common columns you should include are the title, description, price, image URL, SKU, any variant options, and tags. Using placeholder or free stock images is perfectly fine here, especially if you haven't yet decided on actual product pictures. This step is all about creating a foundation that mirrors your envisioned product setup as closely as possible. Once you've organized this data, it's time to export and format it as a CSV file. It's crucial to ensure that your image URLs are publicly accessible. This means anyone, including Shopify, can view these images via the link provided in your CSV. As you format your CSV, make sure it aligns with Shopify's specific product import guidelines. This includes handling variants and multiple images correctly, as a mismatch here could lead to errors during the import process. Now let's move on to the actual importing of your CSV into Shopify. Head over to your Shopify admin page and navigate to the Products section. There you should see an option to import products. Click on it, and you'll be prompted to upload your CSV file. Shopify will take a moment to parse your data and then present you with a preview. This is your opportunity to review what you've done and ensure everything looks right. Once satisfied, approve the import. Shopify will then work its magic, transforming your CSV data into products on your store. After the import is complete, it's essential to check and edit your new products. Head back to the Products section in your Shopify admin and take a close look at each of the newly created listings. Verify the images are displaying as intended, check the pricing and variants, and make any necessary adjustments. This might include tweaking titles, updating tags, or even changing product types to suit the vision you have for your store. This phase ensures that your store maintains a professional and polished look, even while working with test content. There you have it, a straightforward method for populating your Shopify store with dummy content, helping you visualize and refine your shop's layout without the need for any additional tools. This practical approach is not only efficient, but also gives you complete creative control as you fine-tune the presentation and functionality of your online store. Thanks for tuning in, and happy testing!